What is going on, guys? iLock here in this video. So first of all, I just want to thank you so much, guys, for your support and every single thing you do for this channel. Second, if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'm gonna be replying to every single person. I just want to give a huge shout out to the people who commented on my last video. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate that. So please make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'm at 320 right now. So without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to get free ringtones on your iPhone, iOS 14 or 15. This is going to work out for both of them. Literally super easy and super simple. Just follow the steps, guys. You literally need two apps. The first app is Bolt. The second app is GarageBand, and both of them are free on the App Store. You might have already GarageBand on your iPhone. You just need to download the app Bolt, and it's for free. The first step, open Bolt. And this is what it looks like. So you're gonna see browser, downloads, folders, and more. You need to go to browser and literally search for youtube.com and search for any music you want. For example, so for me, I looked up Little Baby. So let's say you can literally pick any music or any type of music. Once you choose the one that you want, just click on it. Okay, wait for it. It's gonna ask you to download it. Click on downloads. And then go to downloads. As you can tell, it's loading and it's already done. After, you go to folders and then switch it. Click on action, okay, and convert it to audio. So export audio, and this is what it's gonna look like. Once you're done with that, just click on hold and just click on opening and go to save to files, and just click save. Okay, once you're done, close this, open GarageBand. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Click on continue, click on this plus sign, and click on audio recorder. So you're gonna have a lot of options. Just select this one. This is what it looks like. Click on OK, close the drums up top, and make sure it's on clean. And then once you're done, click on this bar right there, click on it. So this is what it's gonna show. After is, do you see this plus sign? Click on it, and for the selection, click on 8 bars. Make sure you hit it to 230 for the ringtone. Click on done, and once you're done, click on this loop sign. Go to files, browse item from files, and you're gonna see Little Baby on Me, the one that we just selected. So click open it and look for it. It should be down there. Okay. Click and hold and select it to put it right there. You can click to listen to it. Let's hear it. It's working 100%. Alright, guys, so once you're done, click on this arrow right there, My Songs. Click and hold, go a little bit down, click on share, ringtone, continue, and name it Little Baby or whatever the song is. Click on export, and as you can tell, it's loading 100% right now. Ringtone, click on use as standard ringtone, and it's working 100% right now. So let's go check it out and see if it worked. Go to all sounds, ringtone. As you can tell, they are all working right now. Alright, guys, so that was actually the end of the video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. And please let me know down below in the comment section what y'all think of this video and if it worked for you or not. And let me know. Thank you so much, guys, and peace out. Peace.